Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Are you tired of playing Geometry Dash 2.2 on a small mobile screen and want the full experience on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'll show you how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Geometry Dash download, or simply search Geometry Dash Steam. You'll see a lot of websites, but make sure you scroll until you find the once you're on the Geometry Dash Steam page. Look at the top and click on Install Steam. This will start downloading the Steam application to your PC or laptop. Official Geometry Dash page on Steam. Click on that link to open it. After the download finishes, open Steam. If you don't already have an account, create a free one and then log in. Steam will open to the store section where you can browse games. Scroll down until you see the Add to Cart button. Click on Add to Cart, then click View My Cart. Continue with the payment option of your choice to purchase the game. After that, your game will add to your library. Now you are able to download games when you want. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.